If your child is struggling to learn the alphabet and you've been teaching them all 26 letters using flashcards and singing the ABC song, then stop. Because knowing the ABC song does not mean that your child knows their letters. In this video, I'll show you what to do instead so your child can identify their letters and letter sound. Grab your notebook, a pen, your favorite drink, and keep watching. Hi, I'm Ms. Cookie. I'm a special education teacher and a formal general ed teacher. I've worked with students from pre-K to second grade, especially those who struggle with early reading skills. Step 1. First, you want to test your child. Show letters one at a time and ask the letter name. Then ask for the letter sound. If you catch your child singing or thinking about the answer, then they have not yet mastered it. Stop teaching all 26 letters at once. Instead, focus on 2 to 4 letters per week, depending on the child. I like using the preschool alphabet order chart because letters are taught in a developmentally appropriate order. Flashcards are not enough. Games need to be incorporated. Jumping to the correct letter sound. Matching upper and lowercase letters. Do this 15 to 30 minutes daily.
Go. A. B. C. Wait, hold on. I heard apple.
If this video has helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, share. I'm Ms. Cookie, and I will see you for the next one.